Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Etsy ads affiliate integrations from web pages, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Open your web browser and navigate to your Etsy account. Log into your Etsy account using your credentials.
Once logged in, go to the Shop Manager section. In the Shop Manager, locate the Marketing tab. Click on the Marketing tab to expand its options.
Find and select the Etsy Ads option from the drop-down menu. In the Etsy Ads section, look for the Affiliate Integrations feature. Click on Affiliate Integrations to view your current settings. Review the list of active affiliate integrations associated with your account. Identify the specific integration you want to uninstall. Next to the integration, look for an Uninstall or Remove button. Click the Uninstall or Remove button to start the process.
A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall. Confirm your choice to proceed with the uninstallation.
Once confirmed, the integration will be removed from your Etsy Ads settings.
After uninstallation, check your web pages to ensure the integration has been successfully removed. If necessary, refresh the web pages to see the changes take effect. Finally, revisit the Affiliate Integrations section to confirm the integration is no longer listed. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.